What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and we got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on deck. And one of the most important accessories for this device is definitely a screen protector. You don't want your screen cracked or shattered at all. So big shout out to this company that we're working with today. Now, shout out to Smart Devil, guys. They become one of the best screen protector companies on the market. I've used them on a few devices. Their screen protectors are really clear, they apply really easy, and they have a dust-free installation. So I like that a lot. Today, what we got going on for the S25 Ultra is the Smart Pull Box. So we just gonna get everything out like so. Now, you open this book up, guys, and it's basically gonna be everything you need in here. So you got the Smart Pull Box instructions. You got the film installation toolkit, and in this kit you get 3 screen protectors. So let's get one of these screen protectors installed, guys. First and foremost, you're going to want to make sure you clean the display with the cleaning wipe. Then you're going to want to hit the display with the microfiber. Now, once your display is completely clean of any dust, any streaks, everything, you want to make sure your display is 100% clean. Now you got the device in the box, guys. This is part of the dust-free installation. As you can see, you got guardrails all around, so nothing is getting in the sides or any dust is leaking up in here to get on your display while you're installing your screen protector. Now we're going to close this like a book. Now once I pull the tab, I'm going to wait 5 seconds for the screen protector to do its thing. Now I'm going to pull the device out, guys. Now I'm going to pull down, and we look nice, clean install. Now we just got a nice, clean install, no dust, guys. Very smooth, as you can see. The screen is very smooth. A lot of times I didn't like screen protectors because of how they made the display feel, but this one is just like touching the display. I'm gonna keep it 100% honest with you. As you can see, I'm gonna just take the screen protector and bend it, guys. And normally when a screen protector would just snap in half and break or crack up or just be destroyed, as you can see, this one is very durable, bending in half, but not cracking yet. Also, unlike most screen protectors, these screen protectors are actually water resistant. As you can see, it just pushed the water right off the screen protector. I'm gonna do that one more time. I just want you guys to see it. Like, it's crazy. They're actually water resistant, and it just pushes the water right away from your screen, guys. Also, screwdriver test, guys. It's scratch free. Screwdriver not scratching it up. It's just shatterproof, dustproof, everything you want in a screen protector. Now, like I said, reinstall your biometrics, but no issue with the fingerprint scanner at all, guys. But again, shout out to Smart Devil. This is the Smart Pull Box screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Link will be down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.